Myth number 11. I already have a policy. Well, a lot of people think that they have insurance that they don't really have, and that's a serious problem. It's very common, and there are a bunch of reasons why that happens. Now, if you're young, you may just not really understand the industry and how it works and the difference between term and whole life and what some policies just don't do for you. Or you may not really be thinking about the fact that life insurance policies are essentially savings plans. And there's older people that have a different set of problems that are very typical, where they get targeted by direct mailers in particular, but they'll see things on the internet as well, and they just sign up for things because they start getting all this stuff. They're on Facebook. Just because they're old doesn't mean they're not on social media getting advertisements. And they respond to these things, and a lot of people are going to shop for it because it's on their mind. Senior citizens start thinking about their last days, and they want a good ending to their life, and they want to bless the people that they love, okay? More so than younger people, I would have to say. And the direct mailers and all of the businesses that profit from that know that, so they try to get as much money from them as they can, which is very sad to me because they're on a fixed income at that point, generally, right? And they can't afford some trick like a renewable term policy to come upon them, where every 5 years the price is going to go up. If they're on a fixed income and the price is going up every 5 years, so at 65 you get Social Security, and so you get a policy, you're paying $100 a month on that thing, and it's maybe a $30,000 policy, and you're like, all right, man, $100 and I'm 65, that was cheap, right? But then at the age of 70, it goes up from $100 to $150, and you're like, wait a minute. Went up 50%, that's 10% a year, and that's more than inflation. And then you turn 75. Goes up to $250? What? That's what a renewable term policy is going to do, because the older you get, cost of health insurance keeps going up. You have to keep requalifying for it. When you have health problems, and they tell you, this policy is good up to the age of 80, so it's as good as whole life. You're not going to live past 80. Some will tell you all the way up to the age of 100. Can you imagine what the premium is going to be by the time you're 95? So just don't believe everything that you hear. Be careful. I'm there to help you. Imagine that I was a doctor and I come to your house doing house calls, and as a doctor, I don't charge you unless I can actually help your health in some significant way. But that's what I am. I'm the professional. You are not the professional. I'm the one with the license here, and I'm a broker. I'm not working as a salesman to help you with a limited set of products. I'm not a captive agent. So set me free to do the shopping for you, and you'll be happy that I did. Your beneficiaries will be particularly happy. I am going to help you avoid tragedy.